Okay, so I just take some, and I just really smooth it over like my problem areas in different angles. So like you see, I'm just breaking this part. There's so many different ways to just really get the product in. And I'm just gonna keep it really simple so I don't put too much, but I just wanna make sure every strand gets coated. So I just go over with whatever product's in my hand and I just squeeze it out at the bottom, and you get leftover product and put it back in. Out the bottom, and you get leftover product and put it back in. So you're not really even using that much product to begin with. I think it's good to just document the back of your hair and how the back of your hair also dries, because you only see like the front and kind of the side of your hair, but that's how you'll learn about your hair. Okay, so I think that's enough product, probably a little more than I wanted. Whipped cream texturizer. Kind of use it as like an edge control. It's just a nice butter kind of texture. Fully finger detangled, no comb, just a co-wash day, no clarifying or anything. I literally rinsed whatever I had in my hair, threw on the deep conditioner in the shower, worked it in for a couple hours, and just rinsed it out. Cross it under. You don't want to make sure you don't have too much hair. So just kind of hook it around any hair. Cross it under. You don't want to make sure you don't have too much hair. So just kind of hook it around any hair. I meant to start this video, but my hair literally looked just like this. Less frizz, no frizz. Been diffusing it like this. And then I put it in two ponytails with just one elastic. And then I'll just take one side at each time and work my hand down to the bottom. And I'm just gonna let it fall naturally. Whatever it looks like in a couple hours, we will see after a workout.